Imagine my neighbor with the massive pumpkin farm.
There'd be a lot of pumpkin seeds.
Yeah, it definitely would be. I could enjoy
Tasty.
some. I like pumpkin spice, but not that much.
Yeah.
And it's pumpkin spice weather, and I just had some
know.
soup this morning, lunch with my
Very
mom, some
nice.
soup weather, so I'm loving it.
I know, and we get it again next weekend, and actually even tomorrow looks pretty good. I mean, it'll be a different look because clouds are already moving in tonight, so we won't have that bright, sunshiny kind of fall look, but it stays fairly comfortable tomorrow. Our high temperature is about where we were today, around 80, so pretty nice feel on your Tuesday, but again, more clouds. Wednesday is really the focus this week as far as weather goes. The most active day for sure, with rain and a windy setup as well. Some gusts maybe near 40 or so miles per hour. And then we look ahead to next weekend and we get another cold front. So you can do all your pumpkin spice things once again for next weekend, and all the festivals looking really good for Friday, but especially Saturday and Sunday. Friday, still a rain chance and still pretty warm actually. Right now, 60s for a lot of spots, 65 at Kenner. It kind of depends on where you are. We have some upper 50s at Reserve, Gonzales, and Belle Chase, as well as Galliano and Homa. Bay St. Louis saying 50s, Slidell right at 60 degrees. Tonight is very quiet. We have almost calm winds. North Shore lows mostly in the 50s. Some of you pretty close to where you'll get tonight for lows. And south of the lake about 62. And you'll notice when I show you satellite imagery, an increase in clouds already about to start. And that will be the case for tomorrow. So tomorrow actually a mostly cloudy day. Highs about 82. Our winds from the east, southeast. Not too windy tomorrow, but by Wednesday that'll change. And here's your forecast. Again, somewhat comfortable feel. Our humidity not terrible, although it will start to increase, especially late tomorrow, setting us up for that rain on Wednesday. Here's satellite and radar. A few clouds showing up near the coast, but around southwestern and western Louisiana starting to see more cloudiness. And we have the systems that we've been tracking. One, a low pressure area in the extreme southern Gulf of Mexico. Notice the chance of development just 20%. Probably not going to be able to organize into a big tropical system. And then, as I was showing you earlier, these two systems, Lydia and Max, also, especially Lydia, maybe contributing to moisture. And this is all surging to the northeast, spreading rain over us by Wednesday, moving the rain out as a surface low continues riding off to the east. And that would be by Thursday and Friday. Our rain chances come down. The main day is Wednesday. So we'll have rain. It looks like a lot of it could be in the form of just some showers, some light to moderate rain at times through the day, and maybe even some nice long periods with that light to moderate rain. But some could be heavy. We're talking about roughly 1 to 3 inches. Windy conditions as well. Sustained winds near 20 miles per hour and higher gusts. As you know, that can lead to some minor coastal flooding. Very common thing when we get these sustained east winds for a while. Here's our rain forecast from the GFS, and you can see the gradient. Since the low will be to our south, it's just moving the rain in. So our coastal southern spots get more rain than farther inland, where we may get maybe an inch or two if you're lucky, or a ½ inch or so even farther north. The Euro goes a little lighter for almost all the rain total, so we will see. But here's our precision cast moving through the day tomorrow. You can see the clouds streaming overhead. We'll fast forward into Wednesday, 7 a.m. Already a few showers for the early commute. Here comes the surface low and all the rain out ahead of it. And as we move into Wednesday during the day, you can see some shields and some batches of rain moving over us, with maybe a few areas of some heavier rain like along the coast. So we'll have to watch for some low-lying areas along the coast. We may see some street flooding and things like that. So we'll have to watch for that on Wednesday into Wednesday night. But it looks like it'll move out by Thursday. So this could be a really good thing for us with our drought conditions. Finally, a pretty decent chance at the rain on Wednesday, even a chance Thursday. Friday, we have a chance of rain as well, and we warm way up ahead of our next front. So we're getting much warmer, and then the front moves in late Friday to bring us beautiful, almost picture perfect weather yet again for next weekend.